MulmoClaude Collections, personal mini apps born just by asking. Recipes, shopping lists, a household ledger. Apps that used to live apart now connect inside one AI and grow the more you use them. Here are real examples in 3 minutes. Until now, recipes lived in a recipe app, shopping lists in a memo, the ledger in a spreadsheet. Each was fine on its own, but connecting them was always your handiwork. In MulmoClaude, one AI holds all of your collections, so a single conversation connects everything. A collection is your own personal mini app, born from a spoken request. It comes with friendly views, tables, calendars, galleries, and collections connect to each other through conversation. And it isn't finished at creation. You keep nurturing it as you talk. Let's watch it happen. One evening you ask, plan 4 dinners for this week. There's chicken and cabbage in the fridge, and you add that you'd like Thursday to be Western style. A recipe collection appears with the menu lined up. It uses up what's in the fridge, and Thursday is Western style, just as asked. Next, one more line. Make the shopping list for these. The 4 days of ingredients merge into one list, minus what you already have at home. At the store, open it on your phone and just tick things off. Back home, just snap the receipt and send it. It lands in the ledger collection, categorized and recorded. At month's end, ask, how's the grocery budget doing? And you get the totals and a little review. From recipes to the ledger, one continuous conversation. The same thing works for travel. Talk over a destination and an itinerary, a packing list, and a budget appear. A full travel kit, connected as one trip. And when you're back, your photos and notes can become a memory album. And there are as many uses as there are corners of life. Studying for an exam, the family schedule, books you've read, daily health. Each one becomes its own collection the moment you ask and grows into your version of it. And a collection grows the more you use it. In the first week, it simply does what you ask. A month in, it starts remembering your tastes and budget. And by month 3, it's proposing first. Groceries are running high this month. Shall we plan some thrifty dinners? A collection isn't finished when it's made. It's something you nurture in conversation, shaped to your life. Start with one, the thing you've always meant to organize, and ask MulmoClaude.